Every shoot, the same detour. Not because you wanted to, but because you had to. Today, the detour ends. Raw editing is now inside Aftershoot. Your files open here, get edited here, and stay here. Complete manual controls. White balance, light, HSL, color grading, detail, all of it. Crop, straighten, subject masking. Sync changes across your whole shoot in just one click. And the time you spent building in Lightroom, it wasn't for nothing. Import your presets directly. Your look walks in with you. Start with Aftershoot's AI and make it yours. Or ignore it completely and work from scratch. You call the shots. And when you're ready, export. JPEG, TIFF, whatever you need. No detours on the way out either. Raw editing, now live on Aftershoot.